Hey everybody, on this video we got a Brinks padlock here. This came from the same house where these other ones came from that I picked the other day. It was on another burglar bar. This one, however, I couldn't comfortably get to it to get it open, so I just gave it the business with the angle grinder. And we'll see now we can pick it now that it is not locked on anything, and I can comfortably tension it and whatnot. Try a standard Peterson hook here, 25 thousandths thick. I think it's a number 1 hook is what it's actually called. And we're open, so that wasn't too bad. I guess if I could have reached it, I probably could have got that open pretty easily when it was locked on. But to sit on a bed and reach over my head and all kinds of other excuses not to pick it in the field. So anyway, that's gonna do it for this video, and we'll talk to everybody later.